Today we're going to do a science experiment.
It's full color.
The tornado in a bottle.
I know.
You're going to hide through it?
Hi.
You're going to hide? Okay.
Hi.
Where's Adley? Where's Avery? Oh, there she is. All right, guys. Y'all ready to do a science experiment?
Yes.
All righty. So they each got water in a bottle, and they picked out their food coloring, and we're going to do a tornado in a bottle.
I'll put this in the water.
All right, girlfriend, you ready? You want to dump your color in? Go ahead and dump your color in this one.
Can I dump it too?
Yeah, you can go dump it in the one with the water. Here you go, Adley.
Hi.
You going to dump
Blue,
it?
red, blue, pink. There. And I'm gonna shake.
You got it?
Shake.
Need a little bit of help? Alrighty.
As guys, you see it, mine's purple because I mixed blue and pink.
Yours is green. Y'all got some pretty colors.
I got purple.
Alright.
I'm thinking, want a little blue, Adley? A little blue? Adley? Little blue? Adley? Want blue or pink? Sure. More pink? Pink? Okay, I have some pink.
Sure.
Want to press it with my fingers? Press. Okay, that's enough.
Alright. Ooh, that looks like a watermelon.
Ooh. I
Alright.
think we need a little more green. Oh,
We're going to put this
I
one
know me.
on top, and we're going to put the tape around it. So hopefully it doesn't leak all that much. Having a little difficulties.
yes.
Okay. Got it.
This is what we're looking for, and we just got it.
Alright. You want to help me squeeze it, Adley?
Okay,
Oh, wait.
Wait!
No. Okay. Help me squeeze it. Squeeze. You squeeze it, and I'm going to come over here and help Avery with hers. All right, put the bottle on top. Squeeze.
I know how to squeeze hard.
Okay. All right, y'all ready to tornado it up? All right. Let's see how much it leaks. Hopefully it doesn't leak at all.
No.
All right, you gonna help me? Or you gonna watch first? You wanna watch first? Okay. So we're gonna flip it on the count of 3. You scared? I'm scared.
No, I'm going to do it
All
first.
right, I'm gonna do it first. 1, 2,
Look at it.
3.
Whoa.
Look! Yeah, it only leaked a little bit. We can fix that. Wait.
That's
You didn't turn it all the way.
Oh.
Alright, you can do it again. Ooh, yours didn't leak. Okay, I'm going to have to help Adley not leak. You can try yours again. No. Ava, whenever you're doing it, you got circle. Try and circle in her motion.
I just did it. Did I?
Yeah, good job. Alright, let's patch up this little hole. Ooh. Let's clean up this little water mess.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like apple juice. Look.
You're right, it sure does.
Huh.
Her two colors didn't mix too well. It
Yeah,
kind of made like an apple juice color.
Yeah, it's apple juice.
Like an orangish brown color.
Yeah, and I got little grape juice. I got grape juice. Right?
Alright, Emily, you want to try it?
Yeah, let me try it this one.
You want to try hers? Go ahead.
Are you ready? Watch Ava. I'm scared. I'm shaking already.
You're shaking already.
I'm shaking. Never mind. Ready, Ellie?
1.
You saw that?
Look, 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 look at yours. Look at yours.
Oh my God, Allie's leaking. Again. Again.
Look, Avery. Whoa, guys.
Yeah, mine's a little better. And Allie's just leaked on me. The water.
Look how cool that is. I remember when I was around your age, we did this in class, in one of my science classes. Isn't that cool?
Did you leak? Did yours leak?
No, ours didn't. Because we had a certain top cap that we put on ours.
Oh.
Want to try it again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Steady,
1, 2,
Go.
3. Ours works.
And leak.
It sure did. Leak free. Want to do it again?
Mm-hmm. Can I try? Oh.
How cool. Okay, we're going to try it at the same time, all right? Abby, you going to help me?
Woo! It was
All right, stand up.
leaky.
You gonna
Leaky.
hold the bottle? Abby, you going to help me hold the bottle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 1, 2, and we're gonna flip it over, okay?
Okay.
1, 2,
3.
3. Go. Up. Now we're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it.
Oh.
All right. Did you see how cool that was? Look how cool. That is the coolest thing.
Okay.
All right. What else we gonna do?
I forgot. I don't know.
Well, what else you want to do today?
Do you want to, guys, do you want to do a craft with us? Well, I know you can't do it. Let's do a craft today. Mom, would you like that?
Comment down below if y'all have ever made a tornado in a bottle.
Yeah, this
And if
one's
y'all
like-
haven't, y'all need to try.
Oh!
Always
Oh.
get your parents' help.
Yes. But, guys, look how cool this is. If you shake it up, it has a little pink. Pink stuff.
The pink's trying to pop right back out?
Yep.
Yeah.
Pink, 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 pink. The ring. It made a little apple juicy. I got a grapey.
Yeah.
Grapey kind. I have grapes.
The purple is my favorite color.
Yeah. Her favorite color, I do not like purple. Maybe I do actually. I like light purple, not dark. Oh.
You got a big bottle and a small one.
I'm the mom. You're the mom, baby. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello.
What are we doing now?
We're doing some rain clouds.
Rain clouds. That's right.
Hello. We have some blue and Alan has some pink.
So we're going to put some water in a cup.
What is that? Does Abby have pink?
She got violet.
Oh,
actually. I
she
tried
Alan
it.
has violet. She has violet.
I think that should be good.
We'll
Then
drink
we're
it.
going to get some...
Shake.
You thirsty?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, now let's put some shaving cream on here. If I can get it.
My turn, sir.
Oh, it's hanging. Okay. Now we're going to... Look. Help me. Let's put some in.
I'm going to put this blue color because I love blue.
Now look. Look at the bottom. Look, Bradley. Can you show everybody? It is raining purple.
Oh my god! Mine's raining blue because that's what rain's supposed to be. Look.
That is so
Look,
cool.
guys. Mine's
Yours is doing blue.
I know. Actually, I love the violet. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Okay. It's fun to play with this. It's soft, guys.
It is soft. It should not be eaten, Miss Adley.
It's clear. Well, thank you for watching. We had great fun with you. This is very cool. So
It's
we
so
have
cool.
more.
Put it back in here.
Shake. You're gonna shake.
It smells so good too.
Oh, have a smoothie. Guys, have a smoothie. Light blue and some.
Cheers.
Cheers. I just shake mine up. Shake.
Look, now put your hand in there and shake it all up.
Mom, can I have the violet?
Whoa, making a mess.
It looks like boba. It looks like boba now. Oh my god, it looks like boba.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's messy. Help me.
Want to clean your hands?
No. That's not bathroom. It looks like boba, Adley.
Okay.
It looks like boba. Thank you for